everyone, this is Smile Technology Co Limited. I'm Alex.
Hello, I'm Shandy. Smile Technology has been committed to the manufacturing of precision sheet metal and precision machined parts for many years. In order to better serve customers in the semiconductor industry and improve the production level of the factory, the company spent millions of yuan to build a 10,000 level clean workshop in 3 months.
The production level of our company has been able to jump to the ceiling of sheet metal and machine parts processing industry in Northeast China. The newly built 10,000 class clean workshop has been praised by customers from home and abroad. Next, I'm gonna show you our clean workshop with my partner Sandy.
Please follow me. As you can see, due to the confidentiality principle of customer products, photograph is forbidden inside the workshop. Now, let's go.
This is the door of our clean workshop. For this workshop, we have strict operation specifications.
Before entering to the inside of the workshop, we need to change into protective clothing to ensure that we don't carry dust into the clean room. Let's go.
The main function of clean workshop is to control the cleanliness and the temperature and the humidity of the atmosphere to which the products are exposed to, so that the products are produced without the influence of external environment.
The performance of the 10,000 level clean room can better meet the requirements of the semiconductor industry for equipment, and once the news of putting it into use was sent out, it won the unanimous praise of customers from home and abroad.
After visiting the clean workshop, now let's take a look at the machining workshop. At the moment, there are 16 sets of precision machining equipment in our factory. Now in my hand, as you can see, this is a finished product that just completed the processing. It is widely used in the semiconductor equipment.
Besides, we can also customize the machining parts of various materials: red copper, brass, stainless steel, aluminum. All these materials can be processed and manufactured in the factory.
The workers are in full production. In order to extend the production capacity, our company has decided to purchase 20 more machining equipment in 2023 as a way to serve our customers better and provide solid security for them.
This is our latest high-powered laser pipe cutting machine, which can cut metal pipes with a max diameter of 160 millimeters and has good cutting effect, less pipe loss and cost saving. This is our laser pipe cutting machine senior engineer, Gary Liu.
This is welding workshop, and the shelf we see here is also a customized product for our customers in semiconductor industry. Our master welders have more than 10 years of working experiences as well as excellent welding skills.
This is just finished welding process, but it's not the final product. Next, we need to go through the grinding, polishing, and spraying, etc. And finally, after the assemble workshop package, our products can be transported to the customers.
The next you see is our overseas marketing team. This is where our foreign trade department works. And we are a very young team. All our members are post-natives. They are energetic and dynamic every day.
Look here, this is our photo wall. It's recording the beautiful memories of our working life. For example, here are photos of holidays and dinners together. Our company accepts all kinds of sheet metal and machine processing customer business. This is our design director, Miss Yang. She is now working on the product's drawings according to the customer's needs.
The workshop on the second floor mainly consists of laser cutting, metal bending, stainless steel products spraying line, and finished products area, where we have a one-stop customized service to ensure the shortest time and highest quality to complete the order.
First of all, a piece of sheet metal should be laser cut to get the shape and size we need. This laser cutting machine through the computer control plane according to the requirements of the input program to control the option of this machine. After the laser cutting, sheet metal material will be bent by workers with bending machine into the shape we need. If you need to float into a right angle, we also have a professional planing machine. Just finishing the welding is not enough. We also have professional workers to polish to make sure the edges of each product are smooth. After the polishing is done, our products can go to the last stage, the assembly process. The workshop workers will wipe the products carefully and check the quality of the products and make sure it is correct before the final packing.
Here you can see the products that we have finished packing. They are neatly arranged and are ready to be shipped to customers. After 10 years of development, Smile has been steadily building up step by step and gradually become the leader of non-standard sheet metal industry in Liaoning province.
This time, the 10,000 level clean room shop is officially put into production, which makes the company leap to become the leader of sheet metal industry in Northeast China. We will also work harder and harder in the future and welcome friends from home and abroad to come and visit.
Well, this is the end of today's factory introduction. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.